for duck, quack, quack too. E is for elephant, stomp your feet. F is for fox, so sly and neat. G is for giraffe, neck so tall. H is for hippo, big and small. I is for iguana, climbing a tree. J is for jaguar, fast as can be. K is for kangaroo, jump, jump, jump. L is for lion, roar, roar, thump. M is for monkey, swing in the tree. N is for nudge and go, sing with glee. O is for owl, eyes so wide. P is for penguin, slide and glide. Q is for quail, run on the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for snake, slither and slide. T is for tiger, prowl and hide. U is for unicorn, magical sight. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for wolf, howl at night. X is for xenops, tiny bird in sight.